Hello students. Today we will learn about Newton rings, which is based on the phenomena of interference of light. Let us consider a plano-convex lens is placed in contact with a plain glass plate such that a wedge-shaped air film is formed on both sides of the point of contact. Let a monochromatic beam of wavelength lambda is incident normally on wedge-shaped air film. A part of the beam is reflected from the upper surface AOB of the air film in contact with plano-convex lens. This is beam 1. The other part of the incident beam is reflected from the lower surface POQ of air film in contact with plain glass plate as beam 2. Since the wavelength of beam 1 and beam 2 is equal as lambda and the film is excessively thin, hence beam 1 and beam 2 are coherent beams. The two reflected coherent beams superimposes to produce an interference pattern on the wedge-shaped air film. Since we are using a plano-convex lens, hence we obtain concentric, circular, alternate, dark and bright rings around the point of contact. These circular concentric rings of equal thickness, which is dark ring in this case, these rings are called as Newton rings. The path difference between two reflected coherent beam 1 and beam 2 is given by delta equal to 2 mu t cos r plus theta, where t is the thickness of the air film, mu is the refractive index of the air film, r is the angle of refraction and theta is the angle of wedge. For normal incidence, r equal to 0, and since film is excessively thin, therefore angle of wedge theta equal to 0. So the path difference reduces to delta equal to 2 mu t cos 0 or 2 mu t. For air, the refractive index is 1, therefore the path difference becomes 2t. The beam 1 reflected from the upper surface AOB, which is a denser surface, will suffer a path change of lambda by 2. This is according to Stokes theorem. On the other hand, the beam 2 reflected from the lower surface POQ, which is a rarer surface, will not suffer any path change. Therefore, the path difference between the beams becomes delta equal to 2t plus lambda by 2. Now at point of contact, the thickness of air film is 0. So the path difference is between two reflected coherent beams reflected from point of contact is always equal to lambda by 2, which is odd multiple of lambda by 2. The odd multiple of lambda by 2 always indicate a minima. Hence, we always obtain a dark spot when we observe the Newton rings in reflected system. The dark spot is formed at the point of contact.